Hello everyone. Today we are talking about the AP Economics, both microeconomics and macroeconomics. Students fear this subject because of graphs, formulas and terms like elasticity and Phillips curve. But honestly, AP Economics is one of the most coding and logical AP subjects out there. So let's break it down in a simple, fun and exam oriented way. AP Economics is not about solving the big math problems. It's about decision making, cause effect and economic reasoning. The AP Microeconomics tests how the individuals, firms, and the markets behave, demand, supply, and equilibrium, elasticity, production and cost, market structure, perfect competition to monopoly, and the factor markets, and the efficiency, welfare, and the policy impact. AP Macroeconomics tests the national income, GDP, unemployment and inflation, aggregate demand and supply, fiscal and monetary policy, money markets, and the exchange rate and trade. If you understand why the curves shift, you can solve 70% of the examination. Now, both micro and macro have the same pattern. 60 MCQs, concept-based and graphical, 3 FRQs, 1 long, 2 short, the FRQ reward explanation, not the memorization. As long as you write clearly with the proper reasoning, your score climbs first. Now, the smart preparation strategy. First, master the cause effect thinking. Always ask if demand increases, what shifts, why, and what happens next. This chain things builds your flow. Second, learn the core graphs perfectly. You need instant recognition of ADAs, money market, loanable funds, cost curves, monopoly versus competition graphs are the language of AP economics. Next, practice the FRQs with the structured writing. Use the state, explain, graph if required, and the conclude. Never write the long paragraphs. Write short, crisp points. AP Gardens love clarity. And keep formula sheet for micro, elasticity, profit, marginal concept. This repeat across the examination and use the real world analogies. If you relate concept to the daily life, retention becomes effortless. Now, if you want the crystal clear concepts, graph based learning, one to one doubt support, and the past paper style practice, our AP Economics course is open, small batch, low fees, and the free seats for the financially struggling students. Join in and turn the AP Economics into your Easy 8 5 score examination. So, what are you waiting for? Join Dr. Shorav's classes today and make all your dreams come true with only us. Bye bye. See you in the class.